Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Settings, and after that, go to General. In general, go to Software Update, and it will show you here if you have any updates or any software update that you can do. And you are supposed to find here the iOS 26 or any new version of iOS 26 also, so you can update to it. And if you want to do automatic updates, you have just to go and activate the first option to automatically update and install any new update for your iPhone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video.